In this second video, I'm going to do another example of a problem very similar to that last one that we just did. So again, if you were feeling pretty confident with this first example, example 1, go ahead and skip to the third video. If you want to see another one, then stay tuned here. Okay, our example that's pretty similar to that first one we did, I'm going to call it example 1b. And we'll do x to the 5th plus 4x cubed equals 5x to the 4th minus 2x cubed. Again, same strategy as before and same as the thing that we did when we solved quadratic equations. We like to start off by setting our equation equal to 0. I need to subtract 5x to the 4th from both sides, which again, let's write this in standard form. And then I'm also going to have to add 2x cubed to each side. So that gives me 6x cubed over here. Okay. Now let's look for a common term that we can factor out. And all of these terms have an x cubed that we can factor out. You can probably hear my oldest daughter Emily yelling in the background. X cubed times x squared gives us x to the 5th. X cubed times negative 5x gives me negative 5x to the 4th. And x cubed times 6 gives me the 6x cubed here. Now let's set each part equal to 0. Since I have two things multiplied together, x cubed can equal 0, and that happens when x is 0. We also could have x squared minus 5x plus 6 equaling 0. In solving this quadratic equation, I noticed right away that there is a pair of numbers that multiplies to 6 and adds to negative 5. It's negative 2 and negative 3. So this problem is actually a little bit easier because this part does factor. Zero product property again. When does x minus 2 equal 0? That happens when x is 2. And then again, when does x minus 3 equal 0? That happens when x is 3.